Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Dear students, so far in our study we have learned about natural numbers, whole numbers and then integers. Okay, in this series of videos, we were talking about fractions, a different type of numbers. Okay, and whenever we come across new type of numbers, say for example fractions, we want to know how to operate with them. Okay, what does that mean? That means, can we combine or add them? Can we subtract them? Okay, can we multiply them? Okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, in this video lecture we'll be talking about addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, in the first part of this topic, okay, we'll be talking about addition of like fractions, right? Then we will be talking about subtraction of like fractions, and then addition of unlike fractions and subtraction of unlike fractions, right? Okay, so let's talk about this first, how to add and subtract like fractions. Okay, see, here is a diagram for you people. Okay, see, now you can easily say that what part of this figure is colored red. So you can see that this whole this, say for example, cake is divided into 20 equal parts. Okay, now how many parts are shaded red? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is, so this part which is shaded red, that is equal to 6 by 20. Okay, now this the part which is shaded black is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 by 20. Okay, say for example you have to add this. Okay, you have to say which what fraction is colored, whether red or black. So what can you do that? You can do that one thing. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So that is 13 by 20. 13 by 20. Okay, okay, so that means this addition you get with the help of a figure. Okay, you can do this in this way as well. 6 by 20 plus 7 by 20. Okay, so red portion, okay, is equal to 6 divided by 20, and this black, the part which is shaded black, is equal to 7 by 20. Okay, so whenever we add, see, these are like fractions because denominators are same. Okay, these are like fractions. So whenever you add like fractions, what you do, you take this denominator as common. Okay, so for example 20, because these are six parts out of 20 parts. This means 7 parts out of the same 20 parts. Okay, so that means you have to take the denominator as common and add the numerator. 6 plus 7, which is equal to 13 plus 20. Right. Okay, so while adding like fractions, what we do, we take numerator as common and add the we take denominator as common, okay, as common item, and then add numerators. Okay, I will take another example. See, this is another example. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 here. Denominators are same. Take this denominator as a common item and add the numerators. 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 plus 4. You can reduce this to simplest form. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. That means 2 1 divided by 2. That means 1 half. Right. So while adding these like fractions, what you do, you take denominators as a common item and add the numerator. So for example, there is an example 2 plus 3 plus say for example 1 over 3 so that is equal to 3 as common item, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3 by 3. If you reduce this, you'll get 1. Okay, the numerator and denominator are same. Okay, the fraction is equal to whole 1, right? Okay, what about subtraction? If you have to subtract like fractions, for example, I will give an example: 5 divided by 6 minus 2 divided by 6. How will you subtract? These are also, like fractions. How will you subtract them? Okay, while subtracting like fractions, we follow the same procedure. Okay, we take this denominator as common item and subtract the numerators. 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3 divided by 6. You can reduce that is equal to 1 divided by 2. Okay, so while subtracting like fractions, we follow the same procedure what we use in addition of like fractions, right? You can take another example. Say for example, there is an example: 7 divided by 8 minus 3 divided by 8. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to take this common denominator, 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4 divided by 8. You can reduce that. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Okay, so this is how we subtract like fractions. Okay, so in general we can say the procedure for adding and subtracting like fractions is same. Okay, let's write down that procedure. So what is the procedure for adding like fractions? Is that you have to first add the numerators, okay. Number second, retain the common denominator, and in the third step, write the fraction, the resulting fraction, which is equal to result of this step first, and denominator is a result of step second. Okay, I will provide an example. Say for example, if you wish to add 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So first add the numerators, 3 plus 1, that is 3 plus 1. Step second, retain the common denominator, that is 5. Okay, and write the fraction. So fraction is equal to result of first step, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, and result of step 2 is the common denominator. So the answer is, so this is the procedure for addition of like fractions, right? Okay, now same procedure is applied for subtraction of like fractions. Okay, let's discuss that. So subtraction of like fractions. Okay, so the first step is subtract smaller numerator from bigger one. Okay, I will provide you an example also. And step second is retain the common denominator, right? And number third is step third, write the fraction, that means resulting fraction. Write the fraction, which will be equal to result of step first, and this denominator will be equal to a result of step second. So I will give an example. Say for example, example is 3 divided by 10 and 8 divided by 10. You have to find the difference. Okay, so this is the bigger numerator, or we can say larger numerator. You have to find the difference in first, and in second step retain the common denominator, so that is 10. Okay, write the fraction. Then result of first step is 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5 divided by 10. You can reduce this in its simplest form, that is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 1 divided by 2. So this is how we subtract a like fraction. Okay, tomorrow inshallah we will be talking about the same topic, but The difference will be that we will be talking about the unlike fractions, addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay, till then, peace out. Khuda Hafiz.